Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing or unpackaging of the D'Avella Minimalist Wallet by Speakeasy Leather. Let's check it out. So normally I don't do this. Generally when I get a wallet in, it comes in a box or a pouch. I just take it out, I carry it for about a week, gather all the information I need to do a review, then come back, put it back in the box or pouch and record my video. But when I got the D'Avella wallet in from Speakeasy Leather, it was wrapped in such a nice package here. I was like, what? If I just did a normal review, I would have to unpackage this on camera and then just give you my first impressions, which I didn't want to do that with this thing. So I figured I'd do a quick unpackaging of this wallet just because I thought it was so cool looking. I almost don't want to open it. So after I open this thing, I'll carry it for about a week and then I'll be back with the review. So keep an eye out for that review coming soon. But just check this out. I mean, this isn't just cheap string he uses here. This is actually pretty nice. And look, even has a little leather tag right here. And then you can see the Speakeasy Leather branding right here, and on the back it has a bunch of their socials. And then check out the back here. I just love the packaging on this thing. So let's open it up and see what we got. So eventually I'll get this knot. All right, there we go. So put that off to the side. I don't even know what's in here. So let's get right to the wallet and check this bad boy out, and there it is. So this was a wallet that was suggested to me by one of my subscribers, and I'm really glad he did, because when I checked this out on the Speakeasy Leather website, it looked like a perfect wallet to review on this channel. And you can see I went with the dark brown leather here with the orange stitching. I think it just pops on this color. And it looks like on the inside there's some more branding from Speakeasy Leather and their socials once again. And then what the heck is in this little package right here? Let's open this up. Oh, check that out, very cool. Now I think this is a coin pocket right here, and I'm not sure if this comes with every purchase. Maybe he just sent it over because of the channel, but I'll find that out for you when I do the review as well. So the next step is to carry this wallet for about a week or two and then come back with the review for you guys. So definitely keep an eye out for this review, and thanks for watching.